Assalamu alaikum students, I am Miss Hina Akhter, your science teacher. Our today's topic is time. We are going to do conversions of hours into minutes, minutes into seconds, and hours into seconds. There are some conversion rules to convert large quantities into small quantities by multiplication. To convert hours into minutes, multiply hours with 60. And to convert minutes into seconds, multiply minutes with 60. And to convert hours into seconds, multiply hours with 60 twice or with 3600. There are some more rules to convert small quantities into large quantities by doing division. To convert seconds into minutes, divide seconds with 60. And to convert minutes into hours, divide minutes with 60. To convert seconds into hours, divide seconds with 3600. Let's work on to convert large quantities into small quantities by multiplication. Conversion of hours into minutes. If you have to convert 2 hours into minutes, then multiply 2 with 60, then it will be 120 minutes. Conversion of minutes to seconds. To convert 5 minutes into seconds, multiply 5 with 60, then you will get 300 seconds. Conversion of hours into seconds. To convert 2 hours into seconds, you have to multiply 2 with 60 into 60, or you can use a good rule instead. Multiply 2 with 3600, then the answer will be equal as 7200 seconds. Our next topic is some common characteristics of living things. All living things have 7 characteristics or life processes. Animals feed to produce energy and to grow. They eat other living things. Plants make their own food by photosynthesis. All living things grow means increase in size. Animals only grow until they reach a certain height. Plants, however, grow continuously throughout their lives. Excretion. All living things produce waste such as carbon dioxide and water. The removal of waste from the body is called excretion. All living things move means change place. Animals move by using their legs, wings, or fins. Plants move by growing towards or away from something. Respond. Animals use sense organs such as eyes and ears to respond or react to what is going on around them. Plants do not have sense organs but can still react by growing towards things such as light and water. All living things must reproduce means give birth to replace those that die. Living things need energy to grow, to move, and to enable the body to work properly. Energy is released from food in a process called respiration.